Welcome to Math Star, Module Pre-algebra, Shapes and Measurement. In this video, we learn about unit conversion, the process of changing a measurement from one unit to another without changing the actual amount. In our previous video, we already have built this intuition, and today we will explore it more deeply. Have you ever noticed that the exact same thing can be described in different ways? This rope is 150 centimeters long, but it is also 1.5 meters long. Same rope, different label. And look at this, 1 rupee is the same as 100 paise. That is what conversion is all about, and today we are going to master it. We break down topics step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. So what is unit conversion? It means expressing the same quantity using different units. The amount does not change, just the label. Why does this matter? Imagine a recipe calls for 500 grams of flour, but your scale shows kilograms. 500 grams is the same as 0.5 kilograms, or a cricket boundary is 65 meters away, and your friend wants to know the distance in centimeters. Conversion bridges these gaps. Easy enough, right? The secret to every conversion is something called a conversion factor, the number that connects two units. Here are the most important ones for length. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, and 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. For mass, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. For capacity, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. Now notice the beautiful pattern here. The metric system is built around powers of 10. The prefixes tell you the factor. Kilo means 1000, centi means 100th, and milli means 1000th. Keep these in your toolkit. Now for the golden rule of conversion, note this down. Look at these three units. Kilometer is the biggest, meter is medium, centimeter is the smallest. When you go from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. Think about it. It takes more small units to equal the same amount, so the number gets bigger. When you go from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you divide. You are packing small units into bigger ones, so the number gets smaller. Bigger to smaller, multiply. Smaller to bigger, divide. Simple, right? Let us try our first conversion. Arya measures a table. It is 2 meters long. How many centimeters? Step 1. Identify the conversion factor. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Step 2. Which direction? Meters to centimeters, that is bigger to smaller, so we multiply. 2 times 100 equals 200 centimeters. See how the number got bigger? That makes sense. Centimeters are smaller, so we need more of them. Now the other direction. A bag of rice weighs 3000 grams. How many kilograms? Conversion factor, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. Direction, grams to kilograms. That is smaller to bigger, so we divide. 3000 divided by 1000 equals 3 kilograms. See how the number got smaller? That makes sense. Kilograms are bigger, so we need fewer of them. Time. Time is special. It does not use powers of 10. 1 hour equals 60 minutes, not 100. Remember this. Time uses 60, not 100. A movie lasts 2.5 hours. Bigger to smaller, so we multiply. But let us break it down. 2 times 60 is 120. And half of 60 is 30. So 120 plus 30 equals 150 minutes. Now money, this one is clean. Arjun has 4 rupees and 75 paise. Conversion factor, 1 rupee equals 100 paise. We know that rupees to paise is bigger to smaller, so we multiply. 4.75 times 100. Just shift the decimal 2 places right. 4.75 becomes 47.5, then 475. So the answer is 475 paise. Sometimes one step is not enough. A racetrack is 5 kilometers long. How many centimeters? Instead of a direct kilometer to centimeter factor, let's do it in 2 easy steps. Step 1. Kilometers to meters. 5 times 1000 equals 5000 meters. Step 2. Meters to centimeters. 5000 times 100 equals 500,000 centimeters. Each step follows the same golden rule: bigger to smaller means multiply. And remember, do not skip steps. Here is your toolkit. Step 1. Find the conversion factor. Step 2. Ask yourself, am I going bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger? Step 3. Bigger to smaller means multiply. Smaller to bigger means divide. And remember, time is special. It uses 60, not 100. Keep these factors handy and practice until conversions become second nature. From kitchen recipes to cricket fields, conversion is the skill that makes numbers work in the real world. So, keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next lesson.